Did you heard about Reawote library? Not yet? So let's explore it in this video. As architects, we often miss scan materials from real producers for our visualizations. That's why we established the online library Reawote.com. Our library contains more than 4,000 3D textures from 89 companies, including wood floors, veneers, plasters, fabrics, and many others, ready to use in your favorite 3D software. You can also download a wide range of general materials like stones, gravels, brass, and other cool assets like 3D models and HDRI environments you may need for your architectural visualization. To provide the best user experience, we offer plugins for SketchUp, 3ds Max, Blender, and Cinema 4D. These plugins allow you to upload multiple materials with one click, ready to use in your favorite 3D engines including Corona, V-Ray, Redshift, and Octane. Are you using Lumion, Twinmotion, Revit, Rhino, or Archicad? Don't worry, it works in all major 3D softwares. And all of this starts at just €10 per month. Do you want to check the quality first? Try our free assets. Join the worldwide community of 70,000 users and try digital twins of real products right in your visualizations. And in the end, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.